Cotton Guru Pradeshan Khet, Manjeet Farm, Pathan Road. This is a 100-acre plot which we have taken from the Manjeet Group to develop into a rich farmland. It was a very, very dry land, 17 wells, 2 bore wells. Not a single drop of water anywhere in this plot, only depending on the monsoon, and with a background of a 3-year consistent drop in this place called Marathwada of Maharashtra. We have taken the challenge to develop this farm into a rich cotton field, and you can see the result. We have sown the seeds of the best seed companies of India. This particular plot where I am standing is the Eco Seed of Axis Company, and look at the growth. What I want to show you, what I want to highlight is basically look at the strength of the stem here. The stem is very powerful, that is the primary stem, and from there we can see two more primary stems coming out. So we do not have only one primary stem, we have at least three primary stems, and every one of each has secondary stems, and every secondary stem has at least 3 to 5 balls. Our target is 6 to 7 balls per secondary stem. So that will give an extraordinary yield. The average yield in this area, Marathwada, Maharashtra, was 3 quintals per acre. But what we will achieve here minimum is 6 to 10 quintals per acre in the first year of operation, in only 4 months, depending on only rainwater. Next year we will increase the capacity of the land, and we will have some irrigation in this land, so the acreage is definitely going to rise up to 15 quintals per acre. And this is our intention, to increase the yield, and to enhance the quality, and to ensure that the farmer gets the best price. And look at the width of this plant. Can you see the diameter of this plant? We have done a very specific Amrut pattern sowing 5 by 7 feet, and that will give us more radius of the plant. Look at the spread of this plant, but still every leaf gets enough sunlight, every stem gets enough sunlight. Only what we need is a richer soil, more access to water, and little bit more application of growth regulators and organic fertilizers. So tying up with the best Indian company, this is an integrated effort by Cotton Guru to double the income of farmers.